everyone. I wanted to show you how I would do my hair for Valentine's Day. Like look, hair, outfit, makeup, like a look you can put together for a date night, or it could be like a Valentine's look, right? I'm probably gonna do brunch with a bunch of my friends for Valentine's. We're planning on all wearing different shades of pink and going out together because I totally believe that Valentine's is just all about love and friendship, whether or not you have a partner, you know, like significant other in that way. Like should be about love and like in all its forms, right? So I'm excited either way. Anyways, I'm gonna just show you guys how I give myself a blowout. I'll talk overhead and give some instructions. So yeah, let's get going. I start by sectioning off my hair. I'm going to leave the bottom third, and I'm also gonna pull out my bangs because they dry really fast. I already gave myself an Olaplex hair treatment, and I washed and conditioned it, and I towel dried it, so it's like nice and tacky right now. You want to make sure it's not too wet, guys. This is the Bumble & Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Protective Primer. It's just heat protective primer. It's one of my favorite kinds. And I'm going to use this all over every section of my hair before any heat touches it, so make sure you use some sort of primer for that. This barrel brush was made for heat. It kind of curls my hair as I blow dry it, which is awesome. If you want more volume, just blow dry from underneath more. I'm only doing it a little bit, like you can see here in a second, like that, because I want more of a romantic swept bang. Okay, finishing the bangs, let's section off our hair. We want like an inch size piece. And then we're gonna wrap it around the barrel brush once, and then kind of like a half a bit more. That makes it easy to hold when you're blow drying. I don't do a great job of it, but you're sure it's supposed to blow dry like the direction of your hair, like roots to ends. That's the idea there. Now we set this section in a big curl, wrapping it around your finger, holding it in place with a clamp or a bobby pin. This makes sure that it actually lasts. And you'll see, it keeps the hair out of the way. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna section off the rest of my hair, blow drying the roots for volume, using this barrel brush and turning it to get that curl at the end. It really does work really well. You can find any of these products at Ulta or Sephora. Okay, and I finished this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it as well. And then we're going to go ahead and repeat that process on the second and third layers of my hair. So the second section, I'm going to pull that out, okay? Put that up and out of the way. Oh my God, I look so ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't stand how I look. Again, heat protectant. Good for me, not forgetting. Okay, and again, you can see the process is really simple. I'm starting from the back this time, but you hit those roots, you curl those ends, you move it out of the way. I will say I wish that I had hit my roots a little bit more. I'm noticing, looking back at this video, that, you know, my ends were already a little dry. I didn't need to hit them quite as much, although it did make a really pretty curl. But I needed to hit my roots a little bit more. It would have made everything last longer. And you can just see it. You can see it. It's fine though. Last layer. I know this might seem like it is a lot of work, but it's really not. And you guys, if you do this, I feel like curling your hair is easier. It takes less time to get ready the next couple of days. You can just use some dry shampoo, run a straightener through it, and it just behaves better. At least for me, it does. So I feel like it's worth it. At least give it a couple tries. Try it out. Do not be afraid of giving yourself a blowout like I was for way too long. I was missing out. So then you, again, gather the hair, go ahead and set it. Once you're done, hit everything with a blast of cold air from that blow dryer. Maybe give it 5-10 minutes to set. Okay, so I'm gonna take these all out now. It's been a hot second, and you're going to see the volume. Okay, and then there is one little last step. I wanna put in some hair oil, so you'll see. I use the Moroccan Oil Light. It's for finer, lightly colored hair, and I have very fine hair. So I put the majority of it in my ends, and then just a little bit of the rest of it that's left over. Just a tiny little bit in the roots and or around the bang area. I'm just gonna play with my hair here. It looks so good. What do you guys think? And if you try this out, tag me on Insta, jjones_3. I'll repost you. Thank you guys so much for watching.